Yeah, another motherfucking one. Teardrop, black ice, untouchable riders. Come beside us and y'all will see what we do in these damn streets. Yeah, but Pete. I'm on a mission, man, I'm making nothing but my riches. Lounging in a cup with 4 or 5 bitches. Chillin', niggas getting the millions. Watching now because they niggas is feeling. We straight out here, nigga, we feeling so high, so far. Niggas wanna see a straight die, we ride. Got pistols on side and a knife, nigga, we don't think twice. We with the business from get-go. Let you know, Negro bullets, they will blow. Niggas get back, cause it's the orbit show. We be on the mission, nigga, till we can't glow no more. Nigga, when that's when the nigga dead gone 6 feet deep in the dirt. And fuck all my enemies, y'all niggas suck my dick constantly. Pump bitches, I'm trying to get my cheese. Smoke hella weed, that's all that I want. Fuck what you be saying, bitch, I ain't playing. Trying to get my money, maintaining on the grind. If you trippin', then bitch, hard times you will find. See, I'm trying to shake dice, 7-11 being nothing nice. Getting my paper back twice, so you know when how the nigga got to go when I recite. Or should I say a nigga take flight? Nigga, when I bail, it's all about getting mail. Like pinochle terms, you see, I'm trying to get a lot of cheese, a lot of mail. I'm trying to bail. Trying to see if I can set myself up with something so I can steadily make that come up. Watching out for these bitch ass niggas that wanna run up when they gun up. Mad cause a nigga make that come up. Broke as a motherfucking joke, but now I got dough. And I got niggas hating, have a nigga glow like a nigga like niggas I took fight. Go out of they district, man. Now they be hating because they singing me and they bitches are giving me brain. Don't hate on me, man. Your motherfucking thing just wanted to change. Switch up, I ain't no pimp, so slow your roll up. They call me Drew Macadamia Nut. I'm just trying to slow cook rock. Face my way into the place. Hit papes like every fucking day. Ay, I'm trying to have my icing on the cake. Ay, I'm trying to slice like a Ginsu. If you fuck with me, we got those that come through, no more tomorrows. Your family and they come feeling that sorrow. Another motherfucking funeral. Now why you niggas had to go that level? I'm trying to not hang with the devil. I'm trying to be with the Lord, trying to see I got the sword and I'm ready, niggas slice shit. Trying to get my mind quit right. I'm trying to make money all night, just like me. Trying to get money right, man. Ain't no stopping when you see me on my mission. Trying to get riches, all up in my trenches. I'm watching out from them haters cause they snitching. I ain't trying to go to jail no more. I'm trying to steadily be on these streets with a constant flow. Money, that's what I live for. I don't give a fuck about nothing else except for my kids, my true niggas with me in these motherfucking streets. And fuck all the B-I-T-C-H-s, the bitches, the bounce, rock, roll, skate on the hoe. Cause these bitches trying to fuck off my place. Hey ho, niggas slow your roll. See, these bitches with that bullshit, I'm dipping. I'm trying to steadily be on my mission. I'm gonna get mine in my motherfucking trenches. All of the damn time I'm dipping. So let me steadily be on my mind. I be on my grind, finding nothing but that motherfucking paper on that combustion. Y'all hoes better know this is the way to go. Teardrop, nigga, roll with the constant flow. And we could go on and on like an energizer bunny. This shit ain't funny when I start to dump it. Macking on all you hoes. You know how nut low got the roll. I go into your house, look for dough. Hey, you know that I would shake the spot quick. Fuck bitches, I'm trying to get riches. Yeah, you know, you better know the pictures, frames. Bitch, I'm here to remain. If you hatin', then fuck you, bitch, give me brains.